Hey guys, welcome to another Salefreaks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your titles and your descriptions via the Salefreaks console. It is super important as a Salefreaks user that we do any amendments or edits on the Salefreaks side. When we do it on the Salefreaks side, it will then translate over onto the eBay side within a couple of minutes after saving that. So what we need to do is we need to go into items, and we need to click on view items over on the right hand side here, the red button, which will load up all the items in our Salefreaks account. And then when we choose the item that we want to edit or optimize, we just click into the item and it will load up in a secondary tab. So why do we edit things? So when we list from a supplier, the length of the title, for example, may not be in line with how many characters eBay allow you to use on a listing. So it can sometimes get cut off, and it can sometimes cut off a lot of the keywords in that title. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, it is super important to optimize your titles. Make sure that you've got all the correct keywords in there and all the relevant keywords that people are going to be searching for in order for them to find your item, in order for you to stand out from the competition as well. So we've got the eBay link, we've got the Amazon link, in case we need to go in and see what else was included in this title that was potentially cut off, and maybe find some of those keywords that we can put back in there. I'm not going to go through the whole optimization and how to optimize titles. I'm here to simply show you how to do that on Salefreaks. So as you can see, we've got the title here. If we want to delete anything out of there, we can just delete it as normal, and we can just add in any kind of text that we want to add in here, like extra keywords, for example. So once we've optimized our title, once we've edited the title, we can then just click on save. Likewise, what we can do in this panel is we can change our profit range. If we want to move our profit range up or down, we can move it up or down. If we want to change the quantity of the item on the listing, we can change the quantity on the listing as well. We can also add in any item specifics that we want to. For example, we could go into eBay and we could check and see what their required item specifics are, and we can add these in on the Salefreaks side. Just note, you can also add it in on the eBay side as well, which is absolutely fine. But like I say, any other changes should be done using the Salefreaks console. So we can see we've got a bit of a short one-line description for this particular product. What we can do is we can build out this description more. eBay do like uniqueness. They do like the bigger the description, they will like, rather than just having a copied and paste, which will be the default that we do when listing an item from Amazon to Salefreaks and then on to eBay. So I would advise building out your description, making it as unique as possible. Again, cramming it full of those keywords and those things that are going to make the customer hopefully click and buy your listing. So once you've made any changes, you can just go ahead again, like I say, and just click save. So I would advise just doing everything in one go and then saving it. In one go. You can also add more pictures if you wish to. You can create your own image, add watermarks to the image, and then re-upload them back on the site again, just giving you a bit more uniqueness and stand out from the crowd. And that is basically it. Hopefully that's been helpful for you, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.